Good evening. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal was issued at 1:40 this morning as severe Typhoon Utor nears the city. Ferry services have been affected. The last ferry from Changchao to Central would depart at 2:20 a.m. Ferries to and from Yongxu-wan, Seoku-wan, and Pingchao have been suspended until further notice. As for air travel, many Cathay Pacific flights, including those to Taipei, Beijing, Singapore, and Bangkok, have been cancelled. The same goes for China Airlines flights. Passengers are advised to check with their airlines before heading to the airport.
At 2 a.m., severe Typhoon Yuto was centered about 310 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 kilometers in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong.
We'll have another update for you in 30 minutes.